Starting prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yoga Ganapati Moola Mantra. Om Ham Sangam Bhagavate Nitya Yoga Yuktaya Sachidananda Rupine Vinayakaya Namaha. श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति ग्रुप गुरु प्रार्थना. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना. नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित् सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे. Samarasya prayer for harmony from Rigveda. Om Sangachadvam Samvadadvam Samvo Mana Amsi Janatam Deva Bhagai Yatha Purve Sanjanana Upasate Samano Mantras Samitis Samani Samanam Manasaha Chittamesham Samanam Mantram Abhimantrayevaha Samanena Havishajuhumi Samaniva Akutihi Samanardayanivaha Samanamastu Omanaha Yadhavasu Suhasati. Panchangam. Adyatana Panchangam. Saptavimshatyadika Ekashatotara पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं ग्रीष्म ऋतुः आषाढमासः शुक्लपक्षः षष्ठीतिथिः पूर्वा फाल्गुनी नक्षत्रं हर्षयोगः गरजकरणं भौमवासरः. Today's date July 1st 2025 Tuesday. तिथेश्च श्रियवाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनं नक्षत्राधरते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणं कर्णाकार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमम्. सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु. ज्ञान योग श्लोक संग्रहः. ध्यान श्लोकः. ओम पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु ज्ञानयोगश्लोकसङ्ग्रहः। अर्जुन उवाच अहो बत महत्पापं कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयं यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः। श्रीभगवानुवाच अपि चेदसि पापेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः पापकृत्तमः सर्वं ज्ञानप्लवेनैव वृजिनं सन्तरिष्यसि। तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः। न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः। न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे वेदा विनाशिनं नित्यं य एनमजमव्ययम्। कथं स पुरुषः पार्थ कं घातयति हन्तिकं नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावकः न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्यापः न शोषयति मारुतः। अच्छेद्योऽयमदाह्योऽयम् अक्लेद्यो शोष्य एव च नित्यः सर्वगतस्थाणुः अचलोऽयं सनातनः। त्रैगुण्यविषया वेदाः निस्त्रैगुण्यो भवार्जुन। निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्थः निर्योगक्षेम आत्मवान्। प्रजहाति यदा कामान् सर्वान् पार्थमनोगतान्। आत्मन्येवात्मना तुष्टः स्थितप्रज्ञस्तदुच्यते। ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः सङ्गस्तेषूपजायते। सङ्गात् सञ्जायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते। क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः। स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशः बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति। रागद्वेषवियुक्तैस्तु विषयानिन्द्रियैश्चरन् आत्मवश्यैर्विधेयात्मा प्रसादमधिगच्छति। दुःखेष्वनुद्विग्नमनाः सुखेषु विगतस्पृहः। वीतरागभयक्रोधः स्थितधीर्मुनिरुच्यते। प्रसादे सर्वदुःखानां हानिरस्योपजायते। प्रसन्नचेतसो ह्याशु बुद्धिः पर्यवतिष्ठते। यः सर्वत्रानभिस्नेहः तत्तत्प्राप्य शुभाशुभम्। नाभिनन्दति न द्वेष्टि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता। या निशा सर्वभूतानां तस्यां जागर्ति संयमी। यस्यां जाग्रति भूतानि सा निशा पश्यतो मुनेः ओमित्येकाक्षरं ब्रह्मा व्याहरन् मामनुस्मरन् यः प्रयाति त्यजन् देहं स याति परमां गतिं श्रद्धावान् ज्ञानं तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिम् अचिरेणाधिगच्छति एषा ब्राह्मी स्थितिः पार्थ नैनां प्राप्य विमुह्यति स्थित्वा स्यामन्तकालेऽपि ब्रह्मनिर्वाणमृच्छति ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे ज्ञानयोगश्लोकसंग्रहः हरिः ॐ तत्सत् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु.
Respected dignitaries on the stage, my dear faculty and colleagues. Presence of yogi is a beginning of meditation. Presence of teacher is a beginning of education. Presence of nurse is beginning of care. Presence of doctor is beginning of cure. Presence of physician is beginning of medicine. Presence of surgeon is beginning of incision. Presence of physiotherapist is beginning of vyayama. Presence of naturopathist is beginning of langana karma, fasting. Presence of Ayurveda doctor is beginning of panchakarma. Not all angels will have wings. Some have stethoscopes. Happy Doctor's Day to all the doctors. I request Honorable Chancellor to say a few words on this Doctor's Day.
Esteemed friends, Vaidyo Narayano Harihi. It's only in India, it's only in Hinduism, we elevate doctors to divinity. We laymen depend upon doctors for the removal of all our ailments. Doctors are divinely born gentlemen or ladies. They are angels on earth. They are gods on earth. We extol them. We praise them. Swami Vivekananda has the greatest respect for the doctors. This is an institution of doctors. Swami Vivekananda was a whirlwind speaker. Wherever he went, whenever he spoke, he was able to draw large crowds of intellectuals and laymen. One day in North India, he was delivering a talk and one medical graduate got inspired. He went to Swami Vivekananda and told, Swamiji, I want to dedicate my life for the service of mankind. What's your qualification? I am a medical doctor. And Swami Vivekananda was very happy. He took him, gave him sannyasa, and his name was Kalyanananda. Swami Vivekananda and his disciple Kalyanananda went to Benares Kashi. Even today, there are many old people going to Kashi to die there. They take some money, money will be spent, death will not come, they will be there on the banks of Ganga. Kalyanananda and Vivekananda were going. They found old people suffering from cholera, suffering from various ailments. Kalyananda's heart melted. He went to Swamiji and told, Swamiji, I find the sick people. I want to serve them. I know the disease they are suffering from. I know the remedial medicine, but I don't have money. How can I treat them? How can I solve their problems, save them? Then Kalyanananda said, you want money? I will give you. 25 pies, 1/4 of a rupee he gave. This is your capital. Kalyanananda was surprised with 25 pies, 1/4 of a rupee, what can I do? Where there is a will, there is a way, he said. Kalyanananda looked at one old man under the shade of a tree, carried him to the government hospital run by the British then. He told the medical superintendent there, sir, here is a patient. He suffers from this disease. I request you to give me a pill. The medical superintendent gave one medicine. He took the man back to Ganga. There he kept him for rest, brought another patient. From morning till night, about 15 patients he carried on his shoulder. The medical superintendent was surprised. How many times do you walk, sir? I will give you a chest of medicines, commonly used medicines. Second day, third day. And then the medical superintendent said, sir, I will give you a stretcher. Use it. Students of the medical college came forward. We will help you, sir. From the fourth day onwards, he was bringing the patients in the stretcher. Medical students were helping him. And then on the way, there was a rich man sitting in the veranda looking at the Swami carrying patients and dropping them. He said, Swami, why do you trouble yourself? My front veranda is vacant. You can use this. After 4 days, this rich man said, my whole bungalow is waste. I am going to my farmhouse. This can be converted into a transitory hospital. And the local people started giving money. Patients increased. And today we find in Kashi, Sri Ramakrishna Mission's hospital, the biggest hospital. In 1973 we came to this campus. Only stones, no plants, only scorpions, snakes. A small shed was built, Vachista, and we identified many people suffering from asthma here. And then, what is the way out? Pranayama. One patient from Bangalore city was brought. The treatment was given. Asthma was totally removed. That patient brought 2 more. That's how the patients increased. Pranayama was administered. Other exercises were introduced. Other ailments also were solved. And today we find this Prashanti Kutir as a general natural hospital to remove all ailments of all the people. Doctors have the kindest heart. They have the genial heart. They have the serving heart. This whole world is existing today. All the ailments are being removed today on account of the doctor's kindest heart. And we have plenty of doctors, budding doctors of wonderful kind heart. May the world be relieved of all the ailments by the doctors of this world. Happy Doctors' Day. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you for your wonderful words, sir. I request Dr. Appar, Dr. Prashant, and Ayurveda myself to hoist the flag together after the Shanti. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve